Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Robert from Sherburne Outdoors, and today I've got Lucy Sherburne, my 17-year-old daughter, with me. It is winter break here, and we wanted to get in a day of camping. I don't know if you can tell in the background here, but it is starting to snow, and so we're hoping we can get a snow day out of this. Just grabbing some supplies here at Kroger, heading back out. See you on the trail. Everybody, I'm Robert with Sherburne Outdoors. Welcome back to the channel. We're doing a little different camping trip than I typically do. And I brought my daughter, Lucy Sherburne, out with me to kind of see what we do. So we're not doing as much filming, but we're going to have a good time. We're at one of my favorite camp spots. It's been snowing a little bit, and look at the forecast. It's supposed to snow a ton tonight. So hopefully we'll have some white surroundings here in the morning. We're about to get everything set up. Testing out a diesel heater tonight. It's supposed to get down to the low 20s, so that part will be interesting a little bit. So we're gonna get camp set up, get fire going, get some lunch, and get everything set up. Everybody, wow, it's been quite a day. We've got the fire going, and it is going big time here. It is about 33 degrees. Thought I'd just take you on a trip around the campsite really quick so you can kind of see what's going on. First things first, check out this awesome river. So this is a little creek we got down here. It is idyllic. It's flowing really fast right now. Anyway, so let's kind of check out the campsite. So again, fire is doing what fire does. We got our chairs set up, we got our Zoleo, for the internet connection. Got our Light Ranger from Devos here, the 1200, lighting up the site. We've got our moon shade here, and if we come in, we've got some roam boxes down here. We've got our diesel heater, which we're going to use here in just a bit to heat everything up. We've got our stove here from Jetboil, got some water, got a ton of roam boxes, got our Overland Vehicle Systems Nomadic 2 tent, which my daughter's taking a little nap in. We're about to have some chicken fajitas up here. Again, got the Gladiator. And if we look in, we got a huge power bank from Blue Eddy. We got our fridge, got everything going on. We've got a lot of things charging as well. So going pretty well right now. It's going to be really cold tonight. So we'll see how the rest of the night goes, but I'm anticipating it's going to be pretty good. Once we get done with dinner, we're going to watch Barbie actually up in the tent with the diesel heater going. It'll be about 75 degrees. This is our setup. We've got the Whip Pro 5 kW down here, got it going up into the tent, and then we've got our Blue Eddy AC 180 back there, which is powering everything. So we are currently sitting by the fire. It is cold. If we take a look at where we are, it is 35.8 degrees outside and dropping, and it's been snowing. I don't know if you can see that or not. But let's go ahead and start this up, and because we want to have the tent nice and toasty. It's going to hit power. It's just going to turn on like it always has in our previous videos. All right, it might be 30 degrees outside, but it is 70 degrees in here. We are watching the Barbie movie, and we're very comfortable here on the iPad. Well, good morning. It's about 30 degrees. Had a very successful night with the diesel heater, with my daughter up in the tent. Got the fire going right now. It is just roaring, getting it all started up. And if we look at the diesel heater setup here, this is what we have. We have the Whip Pro 5 kW here, and it's been running for a while. I've got a 3-inch to 4-inch adapter going on there, and it actually goes up into the tent. And I will tell you, at one point last night, it was 75 degrees. We had to all open up the windows. You know, obviously we have a CO monitor in there and stuff so that we don't have any issues, but you know, it got cold last night. Got really cold. But you know, and we weren't cold at all. It was great. I slept in a t-shirt and shorts. It was spectacular. So we're about to make up some French toast. It's starting to snow a little bit. I don't know if you can tell in the background, but we're getting some snow drizzles coming down. Can't tell if you can see snow or not, but it's starting to accumulate on top of the moon shade here. Just a little bit, not a lot. Well, this has been a great trip. We've seen snow, we've seen rain. I've got to hang out with my daughter. Say hey, Lucy. Hi. And now it's getting time to pack everything up. So let's get out of the Kahuna. Let's get back to Atlanta, Georgia, and let's go watch the Georgia Bulldogs beat FSU. Go Dogs! Go Dogs!